Hey, my name's Paul Snodgrass. I'm an actor and a comedian.
Hey guys, my name is Katlego. I'm a professional chef.
With my job, Bachelor Lifestyle says, get that takeaway. I want to figure out how to make a really good meal that's healthy, tasty, and great.
I've got a mate, Paul, who's absolutely useless in the kitchen, and it's my job to help him bring restaurant-like dishes to his Baxter's kitchen.
And for that, we're going to give you dinner for one.
Dude, I didn't call you this. I don't know what's going on.
Paul, what do you think of vegans?
Are you... I'd say you become that vegan friend.
Okay, Paul, stop. Trust me, I'm gonna make something delicious if you go shopping.
For vegan stuff.
Vegan stuff.
It's better be good, dude.
Yep. And now I know what it's like shopping for Chives.
Yeah, well, you wouldn't let me buy bacon. Okay, so we're doing vegan wraps.
Okay,
yes?
good start.
Okay, so we got some garlic,
Yep.
cabbage, mayonnaise.
Paul, this can't be mayonnaise. Why?
Oh, it's mustard.
But why can't it be mayonnaise?
What's wrong with mayonnaise?
Eggs.
Not vegan.
Here
Okay,
we go, yeah?
we got lemons.
Alright, so my side I've got some cucumbers, tomatoes, some cauliflower, some chickpeas,
Yes.
curry spice, some limes, and that's about it. So what I'm thinking, we've got wraps,
Mm-hmm.
we've got chickpea flour,
Right.
we've got chickpeas,
Yes.
falafels.
Fluffle.
Should we get started?
Waffle.
Fantastic. So my job as a chef was to show Paul that there's more to life than just eating meat every single day, and vegan food can be delicious with a bit of love. Back to our chickpea falafel situation, yeah?
Fluffle.
So very, very simple. We've got our flour. I'm gonna give a bowl.
I think what I enjoyed the most about this episode was going into Pick and Pay and just seeing how many vegan options they actually have at the moment. I think for far too long I just thought it's like, flavored cardboard.
Curry spice, sparkling water.
Well, I mean, when I grew up in the 80s, I didn't even hear the word vegan ever in my life. There are no excuses anymore. There is an option, an alternative to everything else out there, and Pick and Pay has them all.
We've got our chickpea flour.
Yes.
I'm gonna take some more chickpeas. I'm just gonna add in there, like that. About 3 tablespoons. And the chickpeas in there. Fantastic. So, Paul,
Right.
We've got our chickpeas, we've got chickpea flour, and literally we are making exciting vegan food, yes?
Okay, well, it's smelling amazing. I got to be honest.
How does
I
it
was
smell
not
like you haven't
expecting.
cooked it yet?
No, but I can smell all the spices going
Okay,
on,
you can
man.
smell the spices. What else can you smell, Paul?
Happiness.
Okay, fantastic. So, okay, stay focused. So, batter is ready.
Batter is ready, chef.
I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm a chef. I love my steak, I love my meat. But, in order for me to get the steak on my plate, I need to take care of the environment. And it literally starts from having one vegan meal a week. Red onion. Do you want to bring us a mixing bowl?
Yes.
And then I'll show you how to make a simple, vegan-friendly dressing, yes?
Yes, chef.
So, we made a mayo/dressing without egg. And it consisted of simple mustard, olive oil, some wrist action, and boom, shakalaka. Now we can start assembling our vegan wraps.
Awesome.
Are you ready? So Paul, while I'm slicing this, do you want to get us a bowl, dish, with some kitchen towel?
Got it.
We can put our falafels and get started, yeah?
Yes, chef.
So these falafels are quite nice, but if you want to be quite fancy and zhuzh it up, you can pop them in the oven or put them in a hot pan just to give them a bit of
A bit of a warmth and crisp.
a bit of a warmth and crisp. So we're gonna put these down like that. Fantastic. Spoon, chef. Unless you want me to put in my hand.
No, chef.
Fantastic. There we
Oh,
go.
wrong spoon.
Wrong spoon, okay? There we go. Not only a pretty face. Fantastic. So we're gonna pop these out like that.
Righto. Ah, nice and golden.
Nice and golden. Salt and pepper over there. Fantastic. So now we can start laying the foundation for our falafels, yeah?
Righto.
Have you tasted your vegan-friendly mayo?
It's really good.
That's good, but I think it's missing
Missing.
just the cheeky lemon squeeze. So another trick that you can do is you wanna cover with your hand so that you don't get any seeds in there.
So you're basically using your hand as a sieve?
I'm using my hand as a sieve. Like that. Can you taste the difference?
Oh yeah.
Okay, fantastic. I'm gonna switch this off before we bring the place down.
I try to remember the taste. So the
Yeah.
lemon adds a tartness.
The tangy,
Yeah.
that tangy vibe, yeah?
Excellent.
So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna allow you to do the pleasure.
Right.
We're gonna smear a good portion, like that.
Right through the
Right
center.
to the center, yeah. Aha, don't be afraid. I think we need a bit of greenery. Yeah, fantastic. Bit more, Paul.
Bit more.
Yeah. And then you can lay. Perfect, just like that, yeah?
Excellent.
And then you can start adding all the other goodies there.
All right.
Go to town with it, yes?
Yes.
Remember, we're making vegan food, quite exciting, yes?
Yes, chef.
So tell me, do you eat meat every single day?
No, man. Like I've just turned 40, so like twice a week I try not to eat meat, which is actually quite hard for me because I never know how to cook vegan or vegetarian stuff.
Okay.
But at least now, I feel like I'm gonna do this. It is time for me to eat healthier. I have reached that age where I have to start worrying about that kind of stuff. So I'm trying really hard to cut out some meat in my diet, so maybe 2 to 3 days a week. I want another option. And now I'm finding out you can have great vegetarian or vegan options, which taste better than most of the meat options I used to burn.
Fantastic. So we've got our cabbage, we've got our avocado, tomato. Gonna put in the falafels. Aha. Let's not be shy on the sauce.
Absolutely.
Like that. Yeah. And then one more thing that we can do, just add some acidity, just to give our wrap a bit of a zing, yes?
Yes.
Just like that. So Paul, now it's about the eating, yeah? So we're gonna fold the bottom.
Fold there.
Take the side, put
Over.
that side, take that side, put
Over.
that side, yeah?
Excellent. Okay, so there.
That. Aha.
That.
Aha. Keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight. And?
And so good. And so good. Make your own.
So I guess he's that vegan friend now. I guess I'll make my own then.
This is really good. This tastes so much better than I thought. What else is vegan?